Hi, how have you been? It's been a while since my last student life vlog was posted, and there were lots of things that happened lately, but they were all good things. It's been almost a month now since I started teaching as an ELT in a public school here in Tochigi Prefecture. But prior to that, it was quite busy and it was my lowest and emotional time. A lot of things and changes had happened. I graduated from my Nihongo school and I even won the photo contest which was announced during our graduation. I traveled to another prefecture and underwent my teaching training. And during this time, it was my first up-close experience of the cherry blossom. That is why I love spring so much because it is so memorable to me. It marks a new beginning. After graduation, I need to move out, packing out my things and moving out from my very first apartment was been so dramatic. During my student life, I met different faces, different friends. Each has a different stories and reasons in coming here in Japan. Every situation is different, but for me, this is my story. This was my story. I somehow hope this may also give inspiration to those aspirants like me who wish to come here as an English teacher and is interested to learn the Japanese culture. Those experiences brought me a lot of learnings and I met the stronger version of myself. I wanted to share to you the good news which I am so happy about. From student visa, I am now on my instructor visa. If you have been following my vlogs, I was been so open about the struggles I had been through before and now on how I achieve my goal and my dream.
Oh my god, I'm crying right now. Hindi ko na-expect inaming kadali. It's so fast.
Truly grateful. I'm a bit quite sentimental and I feel sad that I have to leave this house because actually this was my first home when I came here in Japan. So, but I have to leave because this house is provided by my school and since I'm no longer in a student visa, so another student is coming in and I have to move out. And one thing siguro ako ma-miss dire is kaning remote. Oh. Oh. I'm not sure if my new apartment has like this, but I like this kay convenient kaayo. Akong painayan. Oh. Oh. Oh, diba? Moving out is the difficult thing compared to moving in. Kaya if mag-move out ka, you have to carry all of your stuff, which is so hassle. Japan Diaries. April 7th was the day I moved out to my new apartment. My company picked me through their car going to my new place. My new place is a countryside. We don't have malls here and there are no buses. But once in a while I go to the city which would take 1 hour from my place. And one day on my new place,
Grabe yung snow dito.
snowballs,
Grabe sakit ko sa sakit sa ulo.
I can say that my place is so refreshing and I like it. I was okay living in a countryside as I want to regain my good health. This place is far from the city and it's quite peaceful and quiet here. Though if you don't have a car, it's difficult because there are no buses here, but my school is just walking distance, so it's fine. Living alone, sometimes it's lonely, but living independently is so liberating. You have your own space, and it's an opportunity to explore your true self. Now that I am on my 30s, I somewhat question myself. What did I do when I was in my 20s? Don't get me wrong on this. I love my family so much. But with the kind of culture that we have in the Philippines, as the eldest, I tried my best to do my part, and I guess this time, coming here is not being selfish. It is important that you should not let anyone hold back the things you want to do, because as you age, your dream would hunt you, and then that is where regrets will start to come in. What if I did it? So I did it.
Hello, welcome to my vlog, and we're here in Tuchigit. As you can see, there are so many buildings at my back.
On my first week here, I met my fellow ALTs, which became my friends, and I met other friends in my area too. Hi guys, Bubbly Dina here, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that my vlog inspires you to fulfill your dreams and make it happen. You are watching this vlog, I know it's not by accident. When I was in the Philippines, I watched a lot of vlogs about life here in Japan. So on my next vlog, I want to share about things that you need to expect as a language student here, the cost and the process. What are the common part-time jobs for the student, and is the salary as a part-timer would be enough to cover all your needs while living here in Japan. And I also want to share about my journey from student to instructor visa, on how I converted it, because at this time I am now on my instructor visa, which I'm so thankful about. It was just a plan, a goal, a dream before, and now I'm so happy I make it happen. So thank you so much for subscribing on my channel. But if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please subscribe, and please do not skip the ads. Doon kami kumikita. Di kami makakwarta, di ba? Charot. Please do support. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye, Bush!